Where did colonists get their food? What did they like to eat? Let's find out. Hi everyone, I'm Kat, the Youth and Family Programs Manager at the Connecticut Historical Society. Welcome to another episode of Kat's Creative Corner. Today, we're going to uncover what kind of food people like to eat during colonial times, and then we'll make a delicious colonial snack that you can enjoy with your family. During colonial times, do you think people could just get their food from McDonald's? Could they go grocery shopping at Stop and Shop or Big Y? No, of course not. So where did they get their food? That's right, a farm. During colonial times, many people had their own farmland that they could use to raise animals and grow vegetables. What kind of farm animals do you think they had? Well, they had cows, pigs, and hens, plus many more. These are my friend's backyard hens. They like to keep chickens in their yard for fresh eggs. In addition to animals, people grew their own crops. There was one crop in particular that was very important to both Native Americans and colonists, especially those in New England. Do you have any idea what that might be? That's right, corn. The corn from long ago is different from the yellow corn we eat today. As you can see in the photo, corn grown by Native Americans and colonists had many different colors, including black, red, and white. This corn was also not eaten directly off the cob. Often, they would use something called a mortar and pestle to grind the corn into a powder called cornmeal. This cornmeal could then be used to make a variety of different treats. Today, we are going to use cornmeal to make something called a Johnny cake, which used to be known as a journey cake. What exactly is a journey cake and why did it have this nickname? Well, a journey cake is similar to what we think of today as a pancake. It is made with stone ground white cornmeal and it's cooked on a griddle. They are called journey cakes because colonists used to take them on their journeys to eat as a snack. For fun, my friend and I tried to make our own journey cakes. The recipe we used can be found on the CHS website. So we had to use yellow cornmeal instead of white cornmeal because we couldn't find the white cornmeal. So we're mixing all of our ingredients together, and then once the mixture's ready, we're gonna cook them on this pan. All right, and now that they are done cooking, we decided to cover ours in chocolate syrup, but you can use maple syrup, honey, butter, anything you'd like. And now Sarah is going to try it. Now it's your turn. Make your own journey cakes and then enjoy the special treat with your entire family. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Kat's Creative Corner, and I'll see you next week for a new episode of Objects Tell Stories. Bye!